Hello, Divine Love. I dedicate this message to you within this human experience. And I will say that through certain means, and there is actually the whole variety of them, awakening to divine reality can occur when we realize that it cannot be perceived or attained as something exclusive, as something partial. So it is like coming to a symbolic end of the line when this zero reality magically becomes very, very obvious and overshadowing everything, because everything really exists by it and as it. And having realized that, the next most important thing is to live as that within everything, not just in some exclusive partial activities, liking one forms of God and disliking the others. And it is a great challenge on this earth to really establish it in all conditions, in all situations, willingly returning to this awareness that there is nothing but one God. And then letting that one God to work through everything with His greatest love. And without that realization, without that awareness, this working of unconditional divine love will be confused and contaminated by our conditioned personhood. And the fruits of it explains it all. But we need to find the root of it, which is in that awareness that I just explained. And then caring for this root is the main work on this earth until it matures and becomes very natural dominion of this realized divine reality, this divine love. And when it continues to expand into the vastness of cosmos. And if a question would arise, why God made this that way in the first place? So I will answer. So it may be reborn and grown in a unique way. So He may continue to develop and share His love, which has no beginning or end. So, much love. Be the love that you are. And shine. And enjoy. See you in the moment. Bye.